can give just one small advice for all the competitors or candidates for next time. They will have to work much harder to achieve the pace of the development of Guangzhou city and Guangdong province, because every year we see the progress in the advanced technology.
I think this year is a very exciting year for THero.
今次項目嘅質素好咗好多，整體嗰個水平亦都好高啦。
I just say overall this was a really great day. Tiring, long, but great. And if you weren't here, you missed out.
27 teams came to Guangzhou for a whole week of communication, presentation, preaching and touring of the city. And I would like to invite every startup around the world to submit its candidacy for the next year, Guangzhou THero, which will be even bigger and more high level.
And this is the first time we've won anything.
Yeah. We're very excited to enter the China market.
We've met some wonderful people in China who will help us push Iridium Dynamics forwards in the future.